Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to change your channel icon.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
But before we start, I want to show you what is a channel icon. Channel icon is part of branding for your channel. This icon is displayed on your channel page for everyone. And this icon you see here. This is channel icon. This icon will be displayed on every page with your video in description section. So we go to my video, and like you see here is a video section with the description. On the left you see this channel icon. Next place are comments. If you wrote somewhere some comments, then you can see this icon on the left of your comments. For example, this is my comments for below my video, but the same working on a video another person. On the left is my channel icon. YouTube prepared some information how to create in correct way graphic for your channel icon, and you can read about it on this page. Like you see, these are manage your channel icon, and here is some guidelines how prepared correctly your channel icon. So this part is very important when you will be creating your graphic. Use these recommendation guidelines when creating a channel icon. Do not upload pictures containing celebrities, nudity, artwork, or copyright images, science this violation or community guidelines. And very important, this image should be JPEG, GIF, BMP, PNG, no animated GIFs. Size of this image is recommended 800 for 800 pixels. Square or round image that renders at 98 to 98 pixels. To add channel icon to your channel, you need to log into your YouTube account and go to YouTube channel. On the top of this page, you see place where this icon will be displayed and simply push on this. So this is icon, and you see some icon with camera, push on this. Small message about picture. Your profile picture comes from a Google account. Change may take a few minutes to show on your channel. So we push button edit. Now you see section where you can upload your new channel icon. So simple drag and drop here your image here, or if you have like me uploaded image, you can simply click on this and push button done, and now will be uploaded relaxing music icon from this channel. Like you see, my channel account is uploaded. That's all. Your icon now will be displayed on your channel below videos in comments section. If you have any question about this topic, please type it in the comments. If you want me to prepare a course on a specific topic, you can also post such a request in the comments.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.